If you're an audio or video enthusiast looking to achieve high-quality digital audio and video transmission, a reliable digital coaxial cable is essential. These cables are designed to deliver pristine signal quality, ensuring a seamless and immersive entertainment experience. In this video, we'll be exploring a selection of the top 5 digital coaxial cables available on the market. We'll discuss their construction, shielding, connector types, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect cable for your audio and video setups. To learn more about the featured digital coaxial cables and where to purchase them, be sure to check the links in the description box. Now, let's get started. Amazon Basics PBA22671 coaxial cable. The Amazon Basics PBA22671 coaxial cable is an 8-foot digital audio RCA-compatible cable designed for high-quality audio and video connections. It provides a convenient and reliable way to connect RCA-compatible digital audio components, as well as S/PDIF, digital and composite video interfaces. The cable's gold-plated connectors and split-tip center pins offer enhanced contact pressure and conductivity, minimizing signal loss for optimal audio and video transmission. Its durable design features a strong yet flexible PVC exterior, providing protection against RF/EM interference and ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Its user-friendly design includes easy grip, color-coded molds for quick and hassle-free setup. Whether you want to connect audio devices, digital components, or composite video sources, this Amazon Basics coaxial cable offers reliable performance and superior signal quality. MEDIABRIDGE CG046BRG2 coaxial cable. The MEDIABRIDGE CG046BRG2 coaxial cable is a versatile and high-performance cable designed for connecting digital audio components, as well as S/PDIF, subwoofer, and digital or composite video interfaces. It features a copper-clad center conductor, dielectric insulation, aluminum braiding, and dual foil shielding, ensuring crisply natural sounds and maximum rejection of hum/static from RF and EM interference. The corrosion-resistant gold-plated RCA connectors provide a consistently tighter fit, ensuring secure connections and optimal signal transfer. The cable's tough yet pliable PVC jacket provides a durable construction, easy routing, and quick installation. The split-tip center pin enhances contact pressure and conductivity for improved audio and video performance. Plus, it comes with a limited 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of the product's quality and performance. C2G40008 coaxial cable. The C2G40008 coaxial cable is a high-quality cable designed to connect S/PDIF coaxial components in home theaters and digital high-fidelity systems to S/V receivers, amplifiers, audio mixers, and more. The ultra-flexible PVC jacket of this cable enables easy installation in tight spaces without damaging the conductors, perfect for use behind desks, entertainment centers, or audio racks. The cable features molded gold-plated connectors, ensuring optimal audio signal transfer and long-lasting durability. The connectors are corrosion-resistant, providing a secure and reliable connection. The molded jacket of the cable offers excellent strain relief against conductor damage, further enhancing its durability. Inside the cable, high-grade oxygen-free copper conductors with foil and braid shielding ensure high-quality audio transmissions with minimal interference. The double shielding effectively prevents unwanted noise interference, ensuring superior audio and video quality. MONOPRICE 102681 coaxial cable. The MONOPRICE 102681 coaxial cable is a high-quality digital coaxial cable designed to deliver reliable and crystal-clear audio signals for your audio and video setups. Its lifetime warranty on all cables provides you with complete confidence in the product's durability and performance. The cable features a 97% pure oxygen-free copper conductor, ensuring maximum conductivity and signal transmission. It is double shielded with copper braiding to provide excellent protection against interference and noise, resulting in a clean and uninterrupted audio experience. This coaxial cable, with a capacitance of 23 per foot and an impedance of 76 ohms, is optimized for high-fidelity audio transmissions. BLUERIGGER RG6 coaxial cable. The BLUERIGGER RG6 coaxial cable is a high-quality cable designed to deliver exceptional signal and picture quality. making it perfect for indoor use in various audio and video setups. Its triple shielded construction ensures minimal signal loss even over long runs, providing consistent 75 ohms impedance throughout the entire cable length. Featuring a 90-degree coax connector with one straight and one right-angle male connector, this cable offers added convenience for connecting to compact and tight spaces. It is universally compatible, making it suitable for various devices. This cable's impressive frequency range, paired with its pure copper conductor, ensures seamless coverage of services and providers from 2.3 MHz to 3.0 GHz. The exquisite workmanship of the cable includes a 100% pure copper core and 24 gold-plated connectors, ensuring minimal EMI and RFI interference for clear and reliable signal transmission. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the best digital coaxial cables. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the top options available for achieving superior audio and video transmission. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.